Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial in Krita on how to move a keyframe from an imported picture to a particular keyframe on the timeline. I got a comment about this on one of my other videos, so I'm going to answer that here. So let's say you have your whole animation set up with the keyframes that you have so far, but you want to import an image that has that you're going to add on to the keyframe to this particular timeline that you're doing. So what you do is you go and you find the image that you want to import. You click hold and you drag it over into Krita, and then you insert it as a new layer. So now it's in here. And what you do after that is you go down to your timeline, and you're going to see that there's no keyframe visible on this particular layer. So what you do is you just click somewhere on here that isn't the very first area where the keyframe would be at, and then you right click and then you duplicate the frame, and it's going to make the very first frame visible for this particular layer. And now what you do is you can take either one. You can just take one of the keyframes and you drag it to the other area on the timeline where you want that keyframe to be. Place it there. And now that keyframe is sitting right here. So now you can make this other layer, the imported picture layer, invisible, and even just remove from the timeline. So now when you go to play the animation, you can see that the image that I imported is sitting on the timeline where I want it to be at with the other keyframes. So that's how you would move a keyframe from an imported image to a particular keyframe on the timeline. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.